Hello everybody, Namaskar. My name is Ranjit. I am from Automotive Manufacturers Private Limited. Let me introduce the all-new Mahindra Electric SUV XUV400. The new twin peak copper Mahindra logo along with the beautiful copper inserts as an identification of electric vehicle. And here we are having a projector headlamps for better nighttime visibility and the daytime running lamps for all weather conditions vehicle identification. We are having a 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with tubeless tires and a very good wheelbase of 2600 mm and a very good ground clearance of 180 mm. We are having a LED indicators on side ORVMs and here a passive keyless entry system. And inside we are having a premium all black sporty interiors along with blue stitch lines, LED tail lamps, reverse parking camera for easy parking assist, and 378 liters, a massive boot space. Along with that, we will be having a 60-40 split seat. If we want a great boot space, if we have only 2 passengers, then as much as luggage space we can use for. We have a rear defogger, wiper, and a rear spoiler for better stability on highways. And for SUV identity, we are having excellent roof rails for SUV appearance. And we are having a body color exteriors along with body color door handles. We have a CCS Type 2 charging port for AC and as well as the DC charging points. For XUV400, we are having a premium all black sporty interiors along with the blue stitch lines for as an identification of EV. We are having a manual seat height adjustment for long drive comforts. And here we are having a tilt adjustment steering for long driving comfort, provides more comfort for driving. We have a beautiful crafted dashboard along with the all new premium interiors. We are having a 6 airbags, dual airbags and side and curtain airbags. So total for safety 6 airbags we can have for this vehicle. We have a 7-inch infotainment system for our music lovers. We can play the music either with radio, USB or aux-in. We have Bluetooth connectivity for music lovers, and at the same time we are having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto through wired. We are having a very good beautiful storage space for wallet or mobile holder. We have bottle holders here and a center armrest with storage space. We have premium all black leather interiors along with blue stitch lines. Electric sunroof with anti-pinch. We are having a very good legroom with wheelbase of 2600 mm. We are having a very good interior, bigger cabin space in this C segment SUV. And we are having a center armrest for the comfort for the rear seat passengers. And 3 passengers can sit comfortably because of the widest in the C segment SUV 1821 mm. XUV400 is available with the power distribution unit, which manages the power fluctuations and the AC-DC charging facility to the battery charging systems. We are having a thermal management system for the battery and the motor safety systems, which ensures the optimum safety for the battery. XUV400, V Fun, V Fast, V Electric with the all new Mahindra XUV400 with its 3 driving modes, Fun, Fast and Fearless. And regarding the performance wise, from 0 to 100 in just 8.3 seconds, which is the best in the non-luxury segment. XUV400 is available in the 2 variants, EC and EL. EC with battery capacity of 34.5 kilowatt and a range of 375 kilometers. EL, the high-end variant, battery capacity 39.4 kilowatt along with the battery range 456 kilometers as per MIDC testing conditions. XUV400 is offered in 5 beautiful colors, Napoli Black, Galaxy Grey, Everest White, along with the 2 new colors in this Mahindra family, Infinity Blue and Arctic Blue. XUV400 battery is one of the safest in the automotive industry with its standard testing conditions like one of the toughest tests, nail penetration test and IP67 rated for ingress protection of water and dust. AIS 038 fire resistant certified.